Welcome to this Python tutorial. In this video, we'll continue exploring useful list methods we started discussing previously. If you like a quick recap or to explore those methods in more detail, you can click here. With that said, let's begin with the video. Index method. This method helps us to find the index or position of the first occurrence of an item. We want to find the index of the element pt2. Lists in Python are zero indexed, meaning that the first element in the list has an index of 0, then 1, and so on. When we use the index method to find pt2, it will return 1 because pt2 first appears at index 1, although it appears again later in the list at index 4. This method only returns the index of the first occurrence of the element. The insert method. This method can be utilized to insert an item in a specified position in the list. We have this list. Now we want to add the element eclipse at index 1. After running this code, eclipse will appear at the second position in the list. Pop method. We can use the pop method when we want to remove an item from a list. We can specify the index of the item to be removed. If not, by default is remove the last item. When we print this list, it outputs all the elements. Next, we use the pop method without any arguments. As I said before, by default this removes and returns the last item in the list, which in this case is Xcode. After calling pop, Xcode is removed from the list. Now we use the pop method again, but this time with an argument of 1. This removes the item at index 1, which is the first occurrence of pt2 in the list. The remove method. The remove method can be useful when we want to remove a record from a list, but it has a similar behavior as the index one because it works with the first occurrence of an item. Here we ask Python to remove pt2 from the IDE's list. Python will search the list from the beginning, find the first instance of pt2, and remove it. Although pt2 appears twice, only the first occurrence is removed. The reverse method. This method reverses the order of a list. As you can see, the order of elements is now the exact opposite of the original list. Sort method. The sort method basically sorts the elements of a list. This method organizes the list in alphabetical order. After this line, the list will be sorted, but pt2 will still appear twice. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.